Hi guys, how's it all going? Got another car for the channel. I think it's just a cheapie. It's got scuffs on there. Tyres are all pretty much new, all matching as well. It needs a new door, which I'm having trouble trying to find because I thought it's the same as the Golf Mark 5, but it's not. It's obviously, this is a Jetta, so the door is totally different, so I can't not find it for anywhere. The seal's damaged there, which is easy fix. Just pulled it out. I've got loads of scratches all along there. These will hopefully sort out. Little dink. Just polish it and tidy it up. This is going to need spraying in, so there'll be loads of spraying videos. Probably going to have to get a different coloured door if I can't match that one in. So that's it so far. Scuffs there. I will sure polish out. I'm using this as another shed. Whole thing's just been not clean for God knows how many years. Look at the state of this. What sludge. This car gets used every day. I just obviously never wanted to wash it. And behind here. Get rid of that. Little key mark there, which is a bit annoying, which way too deep, but I can touch it up. Yeah, it's a bit annoying, so I'm going to have to spray all this. Inside, as usual, it's always dirty. Believe it or not, this was actually a woman with a family, and the roof lining's really good. This interior just needs a good old wet vac, but my wet vac's packed up, which is typical and annoying. So I'm going to have to work around it, probably have to get it valeted. Oh, that's all dirty. Look at that, it's just years worth of not cleaning it really. All the way along. Inside. Just the usual basic spec of a Golf, but it's got, what's it, is it got, oh, it's got climatic, whatever that is. So I think it's got aircon, econ, which might mean aircon for VW, can't remember. Radio, it's got pretty much full service history, which is indoors at the moment. Glove box is actually working, which is good. It's only done 101, which just turned off because I've opened the door. Let's get it back in a minute. Open door again, it should go on. There you go, 101, near 102. It's only had 2 owners. Last that it got brought, the father bought it from new, and then the daughter had it for 7 years. And obviously after the father had it, he looked after it, and then the daughter just trashed it. So cigarette lighter, it's all in there. ESP, it's got auxiliary. Auxiliary? Nope, it doesn't. You can probably get it. What's this? I think that might be to do with parking sensors. Parking sensors, maybe? I don't know. It beeps anyway, so it must be just that. So I might put that somewhere on the display nicely for someone. Now I can't bloody close it up now. Obviously, typical. These are worn, but there's no point changing them. It's just gonna be a cheap car. It's got MOT till December. 6-speed 1.6, nice and cheap to run. It's very clean inside actually, no glasses in there. Yeah, just everything's all dirty, looks like it's never been cleaned in a very long time. This side is actually really good. Obviously this will polish out. Colour coded mirrors. Wheels could do with a good old clean. Just touching up. Clean these up so they're all nice and shiny and new. So guys, what do you think? And what do you reckon I paid for it? 2 owners, 101k, Just that door needs repairing. What do you reckon I paid for this car? Let me know in the comments. There you go, guys. Just washed it, proper fire wash. Done all the wheels, everything, then polished it. Looking a lot better. Obviously I need to do the door. I might stick it up for silly money just to get rid for an extra few £100 profit. And not do the door because I cannot find one for all variety. But I've polished it. As you can see, it's all mangled and it's actually looking really clean. It's a very clean car. Crazy mileage, which is quite good. 2 owners, brand new tyres. I looked at the service history, it's literally back down to when it was brand new. Whole lot, and they've just spent a fortune. They spent like 300 and something quid just on 3 sets of wheels, 3 tyres, sorry. It's had new brake pads and discs. It's just had tons of stuff. All the stuff it needs doing. It's just been well looked after, apart from that nice dink there. Bit annoying, and the wheels are all curbed. But obviously it's like a 18-year-old car, so what's the point? Done the headlights, cleaned all them, wet and dry. 3-stage, looking much better. Just got to do the interior, as it's very dirty. Yeah, guys. Hoover, just need a wet vac, but my wet vac's not working. And there's the back. A million times better. All clean. Much better. Right, so the next thing to do is try and find that door. And this will be up for sale. Right, see you later, guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Peace.